It takes coordination to move power lines across the St. Johns River. And for JEA, this milestone took to the skies. As a part of the $117 million Fulton Cut project, a helicopter recently helped string a new optical ground wire between Blount Island and Reed Island, the first river crossing of the project.
We'll put it in blocks at the tops of the towers, which essentially are pulleys. We'll string it across to other blocks, and then we'll tie it back to the south bank on Reed Island.
The OPGW, or Optical Ground Wire, is more than a protective wire. It contains fiber optic communications technology, giving JEA a communications connection across the river where there was none in the past. It also features a carbon fiber core instead of the traditional steel core. That means less sag. Less sag means JEA can reduce the overall height of the towers.
Reducing the height of the towers, even though the conductor was more expensive, we saw an overall net savings of $5 to $6 million on this project.
Getting it across the river was a team effort. JEA, the U.S. Coast Guard, JSO, Pickett, and Irby Construction all worked together to coordinate the helicopter operation and manage boat traffic. Once complete, the Fulton Cut project will create a higher clearance so larger cargo ships can enter JAXPORT. It is a project designed to support Jacksonville's continued growth and our area's overall economy. But for JEA, a measure of success begins with getting the job done right.
We're on budget, we're on schedule. The project, we had no safety incidents, and that's the main thing. But this is probably one of the most major milestones of this project.
One major milestone complete and one step closer to raising the lines and Jacksonville's capacity to move what's next. JEA, building community.